In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook dating location mismatch. First, we need to turn on location services on your phone. This is crucial because it allows apps to access your current location. To do this, go to your phone's settings. Look for the section labeled Location or Privacy. Once there, toggle the location services switch to the on position. You will see a confirmation that location services are enabled. This step ensures that Facebook can accurately determine where you are. Without this, the app may struggle to provide relevant dating matches based on your actual location. Once you have enabled location services, the next step is to allow precise location for the Facebook app. This setting is important because it gives Facebook access to your exact location rather than just an approximate one. To manage this, navigate back to your settings and find the Apps section. From there, locate and select Facebook from the list. After selecting it, tap on Permissions and then find the Location option. Here, choose Allow Precise Location. By doing this, you are ensuring the app has the most accurate information to help improve your dating experience. Now, let's connect to a stable internet connection. A reliable internet connection is essential for any app to function correctly. It ensures that Facebook can communicate with its servers and retrieve your location data. You can connect to Wi-Fi or ensure your mobile data is enabled. Confirm your connection by opening a web browser or another app to see if it is working. This step is vital because a poor connection can lead to location mismatches or delays in updates. Next, we need to update the Facebook app itself. An outdated app may not function properly, which can contribute to location issues. To do this, open the Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Facebook and select the app from the results. If an update is available, you will see an Update button. Click on it to begin the update process. Once the update is complete, the app will be equipped with the latest features and fixes. This can help resolve any bugs that might be causing the location mismatch. After updating the app, it is time to restart your phone. Restarting your device can help refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches that may be affecting the Facebook app. To do this, simply hold down the power button until you see the option to restart. Select it and wait for your phone to turn off and back on. This action helps reset the connections and can often solve lingering issues. It's a simple but effective step to ensure everything runs smoothly. Now that you have followed these steps, check your Facebook dating settings again. Open the app and navigate to the dating section. You should see improved location accuracy and more relevant matches. If you continue to experience issues, repeat the steps to ensure everything was set correctly. Remember, these adjustments are designed to enhance your experience in Facebook dating, providing you with better matches that are closer to your location. This is important for connecting with potential partners in your area. Thank you for following along. With these steps, you should have fixed the location mismatch and be ready to find matches that are truly nearby. Good luck and happy dating!